Welcome to the channel, Best Sellers Market. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Get ready for an exciting countdown as we dive into the top-selling strut compressors on Amazon. These products have been carefully chosen based on their popularity, performance, and customer satisfaction. So without further ado, let's go. Right, folks, let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling strut compressors on Amazon. Presenting the Shankly Spring Compressor Tool, a true titan in the realm of coil spring compression. Imagine this. You're in the middle of a crucial auto repair, and you need a tool that you can trust, something rugged and unyielding. Look no further than the Shankly Spring Compressor. Its heavy-duty build is designed to minimize tool flexing, bending, and warping, ensuring you get a professional job performance every single time. But that's just scratching the surface. Let's talk capacity. The Shankly Spring Compressor is not just for small cars. No, this beast bears a whopping 1,000 kilograms maximum capacity per pair. Whether you're working on a compact sedan, a massive truck, or anything in between, this tool handles the load with ease and precision. And let's address a common issue with spring compressors: the hooks. Many tools out there have flimsy hooks that can slip, creating dangerous situations. Not the Shankly. Its strong and secure hooks grip springs tightly, thanks to easy-to-use hex nuts, ensuring your safety and confidence throughout the task. Versatility is another hallmark of this exceptional tool. With a wide jaw capacity ranging from 23 mm to 280 mm, the Shankly Spring Compressor is suitable for a diverse array of vehicles. Whether you're dealing with cars or motorcycles, this tool has got you covered for years of reliable compression jobs. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Coil spring work can be hazardous. Always grease the threads well to preserve them and avoid stripping. And crucially, never use an impact gun to tighten apply even pressure to both sides by hand using a ratchet wrench. The Shankly Spring Compressor Tool. It's not just a tool, it's a reliable partner in your automotive endeavors, promising durability, strength, and unwavering performance. Let's move on to the next incredible product in our countdown. Let's get into number 4 on our list of top-selling strut compressors on Amazon. Introducing the Interchangeable Fork Strut Macpherson Spring Compressor. Kit, a universal coil extractor tool set that's a game-changer for any mechanic. Picture this. You're in the middle of replacing worn struts or broken springs, and you need a tool that's not just reliable but versatile. The Interchangeable Strut Spring Compressor is your go-to. It's specifically designed for assembling and disassembling Macpherson shock absorber springs, making those tricky replacements and upgrades a breeze. Now, let's talk quality. This tool set is forged from high-quality steel, making it incredibly strong, corrosion-resistant, and durable. It's built to last, enduring the toughest of tasks without breaking a sweat. Flexibility is key, and this kit doesn't disappoint. With 3 sets of configuration options, it covers a range of shock absorber spring sizes: 65 to 125 mm, 88 to 160 mm, and 126 to 212 mm. No matter what size you're dealing with, this kit has you covered, meeting all your diverse size requirements for replacing coil springs. Compatibility? It's got that in spades. This universal coil extractor kit fits most modern vehicles, equipped with Macpherson-style uprights and coil spring arrangements. Whether you're working on a BMW, a Mercedes-Benz, or any other compatible vehicle, this kit is ready to perform. And it's all about convenience. The package includes 1 compression rod, 6 yokes, 1 adjustment hook, 6 fixing screws, and a case for easy carrying and storage. Everything you need, all in one place. The Interchangeable Fork Strut Macpherson Spring Compressor Kit. It's not just a tool, it's a comprehensive solution, delivering quality, versatility, and convenience for all your spring compression needs. Let's move on to our next outstanding product in the countdown. At number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling strut compressors on Amazon, we present the Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Toolkit by Asymner, a universal coil spring compressor that's built to impress. Imagine needing to quickly and safely replace a shock absorber unit or a spring. Enter the Asymner Macpherson Spring Compression Tool. Equipped with a 13/16 inches hex socket and a 1/2 inches square drive, It's engineered to compress coil springs with ease, making repairs on bent struts, strut tubes, and damaged pieces a breeze. Durability? This toolkit sets the standard. Constructed with forged hooks and a center screw that's hardened for maximum strength, it's designed to withstand extreme pressure in any environment. The heat-treated forcing screw and safety latches ensure the hooks lock securely onto the spring, delivering unmatched reliability and longevity. Ease of use is another hallmark of the Asimner kit. Simply attach the brackets completely onto the spring, tighten, and remove the strut. Remember to lubricate the threads with anti-seize compound to prolong the tool's life. Whether you're a professional mechanic or an automotive repair novice, this spring compressor tool set is designed for straightforward operation. Safety is paramount, and this tool doesn't compromise. It features detent pins that keep the compressor firmly attached to the coil spring, preventing it from flying off during use. These safety latches lock onto the spring until you manually release them, enhancing safety throughout the compression process. Versatility is another strength. With a threaded length of 11 inches, the heavy-duty strut spring compressors are compatible with most vehicles' Macpherson strut springs. Attach the threaded rods with the hooks set 180 degrees apart and evenly compress both sides. This tool is ready to tackle a wide range of applications, making it an indispensable addition to any toolkit. The Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Toolkit by Asimner, delivering heavy-duty performance, durability, and safety, ensuring every job is done right. Now let's move forward to the next incredible product in our top 5 countdown. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling strut compressors on Amazon? Well, don't spring back. Make sure to compress that like button, strut your stuff by subscribing, and give the bell icon a ring to keep your tools in tip-top shape. And now, let's unveil number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling strut compressors on Amazon. Introducing the Orion MotorTech Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Toolkit, a powerhouse of reliability and versatility for suspension work. Imagine tackling the necessary suspension maintenance on your vehicle, knowing you have a tool that's both safe and effective. The Orion MotorTech Spring Compressor is designed to handle the Macpherson struts and springs found in most small and medium-sized cars, making repairs on bent and damaged parts a breeze. It's perfect for routine maintenance, which is recommended every 80,000 miles. Safety is paramount with this tool. The wide end pieces lock onto your coil springs quickly and securely, providing a stable grip as you work. Locking pins offer additional security, ensuring precision and peace of mind throughout the process. But it doesn't stop there. This toolkit boasts an extra wide range of 10.6 inches, surpassing the competition. Whether you're using a manual or power tool with a 1-2-inch square drive or 13-16-inch hex sockets, the Acme rods and end pieces of the Orion MotorTech Spring Compressor adapt seamlessly to various vehicles, making it incredibly versatile. Durability is another cornerstone of this exceptional tool. Constructed from heat-treated carbon steel, it offers high durability and corrosion resistance, even under punishing use. The black oxide finish along the threaded rods and the powder-coated end pieces ensure this tool stands the test of time, maintaining its performance and reliability. Precision is key, and the Orion MotorTech kit delivers. The reinforced rods and precision threading provide fast, smooth, and exact movement, whether you're using manual or power tools. This means you can work efficiently and effectively, achieving professional results every time. The Orion MotorTech Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Toolkit. It's not just a tool, it's a comprehensive solution for safe, durable, and precise suspension work. Stay tuned as we reveal the number 1 product in our top 5 countdown. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. The number 1 strut compressor on Amazon. Introducing the Orion MotorTech Spring Compressor, the pinnacle of performance, durability, and safety in strut compression tools. Picture yourself in the midst of a complex repair, needing a tool that's not just reliable but extraordinary. Enter the Orion MotorTech 1112 Strut Spring Compressor Tool, a set of 2 designed for ultimate efficiency. With a 13/16 socket and a 1/2 inches drive, this tool effortlessly compresses coil springs, making the replacement of shock absorber units or springs quick and straightforward. Let's dive deeper into what makes this tool exceptional. The Acme threaded rod is a marvel of engineering, providing broad spring contact and built-in detent pins that lock the coil spring in place. This design ensures safer spring compression, whether you're working on or off the vehicle. The Acme threading guarantees smooth, durable compression with both hand and power tools, making your job easier and more efficient. Versatility? This tool has it in spades. It's widely compatible with struts assembly that remove from the vehicle to transfer the old spring to the new strut. The hex-shaped end accommodates a 13/16-inch wrench or socket and allows a 1/2-inch extension for adjustments if the strut is too close to the tool. The 11.5-inch threaded rods provide a maximum opening of 10 to 10.5 inches, fitting jaws to coils with a standard diameter of approximately 6 inches OD front coil springs. But what about durability? The Orion MotorTech spring compressor is constructed with forged hooks and a center screw that's hardened for maximum strength and longevity. It's designed to withstand extreme pressure in any environment, making it ideal for both professional mechanics and automotive repair novices alike. And for that extra peace of mind, Orion MotorTech backs this top-of-the-line tool with a generous 1-year warranty and friendly 24/7 customer service. You can trust that this tool will serve you reliably for years to come. So there you have it, the Orion MotorTech spring compressor, the unrivaled leader in our countdown of the best strut compressors on Amazon. It combines unparalleled performance, robust durability, and comprehensive safety features, ensuring your suspension work is always top-notch. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 5 strut compressors. Stay tuned for more product insights and reviews. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling strut compressors on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.